Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. I have a product review for you today, and this is going to be on the Trio 3-in-1 floor lamp, and they asked me to do an unboxing video, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have not even opened the box, so I don't know what we're getting ourselves into, but hopefully it's fairly easy to put together because I'm just gonna be honest, it's Saturday morning and I really don't wanna spend a lot of time doing anything. So, okay, so the first thing I'm gonna tell you is that I should have gotten some scissors or something, although those are kind of cool. So some tape there. All right. There is a user's manual, which that is so rare these days. Have you guys noticed that? Like you start buying products and there's no user's guide in there, and that's annoying. Don't give me a QR code so I have to go look it up. I mean, maybe I'm using my phone for something else, like, I don't know, recording a video. All right, so here we go. We have the head of the lamp. Actually, I'm gonna move you a little closer. All right, so you already saw me take the head of the lamp out. Here is the power adapter, some cardboard that we're just gonna get rid of, and a bunch of poles. Again, I'm just dumping the other things that I don't need to the side. And here is, there's, what is that, five poles and the base of the lamp. All right, so yeah. And here is the top of the box. This is what we're going for right here, this lamp. Looks like it should be fairly simple to put together, but we're gonna find out. All right, so let me move this to the floor and you too. This should be fairly easy. It has instructions. Yeah, right here are all the instructions I need. And that was, I mean, honestly, that's kind of self-explanatory. Screw the poles together, screw the pole into the base and into the head, and then the outlet goes into the base, and that's, yeah, pretty much it. Seems pretty simple to me. All right, there's the base. Now, let's see. The only thing I do want to look at, let's see, this. All right, so the cord does, okay, the only thing I want to look at is make sure that the cord goes all the way down through all of these poles. So when you go to get the pole that has the cord on it, make sure that, one, this goes at the top and the buttons are on the lower side of it. And then this cord gets ran through all of the poles down to the base. And then the base is what the adapter plugs into to plug it into your wall. All right, so let's just, actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to untie this little bread tie here, which I guess it's a twist tie. This isn't a round bread, but whatever. If I leave that on my table too long, the cat will surely grab it. And then this will go, oh wait, let me check. Okay, buttons are here, so this is the bottom, makes sense. And then the threads need to go up, so this can go down. And I feel like I want to get my turn it all tool or something. I mean, but that was pretty easy. All right, so the cord is through the first pole. And we're gonna repeat 3 more times. And also is gonna go through the base. Okay, not gonna lie, this is gonna be this base is kind of heavy, so I'm gonna try to twist the pole onto the base. I mean, it's good that the base is heavy because this is a floor lamp, right? And you don't want it to be lightweight because then it would just fall over on you, and that's not ever a good time. And then let's see, the base also has a little cord thing here that we can put this cord into. All right, now let's put this on the floor. So in this horizontal format, it's kind of hard to get the base and the top in this, so just believe me that the base is down there, all right? And now we're just going to screw the top of the lamp. Now, okay, this is the one thing I will say, I just mentioned first off, is that the top of this lamp is a lot lighter than the bottom, which was kind of interesting. And there is like a little plastic thing here and this little plug This little plug will plug right into the other end of this little receptacle. So that should be an easy peasy thing to do, in theory. And this all goes down inside of there. And this also just screws into the pole of the lamp. Okay, so the top of this lamp is adjustable, so you can point it around. Oh, that's kind of pretty actually. And let's see, we have different settings. This one has the light down below, or you can turn that off. This other one decides what the top is going to do. There's some different ones that it will do. And then this one, I'm assuming. Okay, so I don't know how to turn it off. Hang on a minute, let me read the directions. And there's actually a app that goes with this lamp, so you can control the lights and stuff with an app. Obviously, I'm using my phone to record the video, so I can't like use the app and record the video at the same time. So you're just going to believe me on that, and you will want to just look more in the description about the lamp on how to do the downloading for the app and what all you can do with it. So yeah, this is kind of where it's at. And let's see. We have the upper light power button. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh yeah. Ooh, sorry about that. It's kind of bright, but this upper light power button does different things. The middle one does the rotating part of the lamp. And then the bottom does the light on the bottom of the lamp, which would be really good if it's in your living room or in your bedroom if you wanted some nighttime reading. I think with the app, you can adjust the brightness and stuff with it. So that would be really cool in your bedroom. All right, so I'm gonna be honest, here's my product review. I got this lamp because I have a 23-year-old moving to Atlanta, and she is very young and fun, and I'm not young, but I think I'm fun, but I'm not as young as her. And I got this lamp because I wanted to do the product review and see what I thought about it. It is definitely a nice, sturdy base. The light is fun. Probably not something I'm going to put in my home, but it's going to be a great gift and a little feature for her new space in Atlanta. So this is going to my stepdaughter. But it's not really wobbly. I think that I'm just thinking what 23-year-olds do, okay? I'm thinking if you threw your clothes all across the room and you hit it, you would probably knock it over. But the base is pretty sturdy. If you set it in a corner or somewhere, you're probably gonna be fine. The different features, the light features up top are definitely fun, all the little different things. And I'm gonna turn off the lights in my office so I can show you what the ceiling looks like, because the ceiling looks really cool. All right, so this is from the lamp, all right? And this is the different settings, and there are definitely different things going on. You have different colors. So this is fun, and this is very fun. I could totally see if this was dim enough, even like sleeping with this, and that's a huge statement for me because I am not a person that likes to sleep with any lights whatsoever, but I could see how looking at this would be very relaxing, a really nice mood, a really nice vibe for your space. But again, it's probably not something that I necessarily would want in my home, but I definitely know that my 23-year-old will totally dig this. Again, this is the Trio 3-in-1 floor lamp. You can get them on Amazon. I have a link in the description box below. Go check them out. If you have a college kid moving away or a high school kid going to college, this would be so cool in a dorm room. I mean, they would be the talk of the floor. So, yeah, go check them out. And let me know in the comments below, what would you use it for? Would you put it in your home? Would you have someone in mind that you would gift it to? What would you do with this really cool Trio 3-in-1 floor lamp? Until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating. And remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.